Advanced grammar, since and for. When do we use since? For something ongoing or something that was finished? Let's look into some examples. We've been married since 1995. I've worked here since 2008. She's lived in New York since 2014. They've been here since 4 p.m. You've had that cold since last month. He's taken part in 4 conference calls since 9:30. How to use since. It is used to indicate that an action started in the past and is still ongoing or still affects the present. We can also use since with a past action, which is similar to referring to a finished time. In this case, it is often preceded by ever. Here are some examples. They've argued ever since they came back from their honeymoon. Since I met Astrid, I've tried to learn German. It's been ages since we went to the sea on holiday. You've been complaining ever since you arrived. He's had a car since he started working. It hasn't rained since we reopened the school. The use of for. How do we use for? For. We use for with a period of time. For example, for 2 years, for 8 hours, for a long time. Could you tell me the rule for using for? We can also use for with the present perfect to describe an action that started in the past and continues in the present. More examples. She lived in Japan for 3 years. Simple past. I'll be at reception for a few minutes. Simple future. They normally study for an hour, then have a break. Present simple. In December, we'll have been married for 25 years. Future perfect. Practice. Try to practice using since and for now. For example, describe how long you've lived at your present address or how long you've worked, studied at your present company or school. By writing these examples, you'll reinforce what you've learned, and you'll be able to use these words much more easily in conversation. Want to learn English? Contact us.